So rockets don't push, they throw. If you don't get it, click the link, go watch that video. And rockets get their forward momentum based on how fast and how heavy the stuff they throw behind them is. And Raptor engines, the most advanced rocket engine we currently have, work on methane and oxygen. Neither of those are very heavy, so why don't we just make the fuel heavier to make the rockets go faster? For that, we gotta do a little bit of math, but I'm gonna keep it as simple as possible.
Here we've got Tim and his rocket ship again. Tim, fuel, oxidizer, combustion chamber, nozzle. Here we zoom in on just the engine. Fuel and oxidizer are combined in the combustion chamber to make basically an explosion. This explosion produces a force that pushes out in every direction. The nozzle is specially designed to take the gases from this explosion and accelerate them to supersonic velocities and make sure they're all pointing in the exact same direction. So the rocket's momentum, how fast it goes, is equal to the mass of the gas that we've expelled times the velocity that we expelled that gas. And if we look at this equation, if we increase the mass that we're expelling, we will increase the momentum. If we increase the velocity, we will increase the momentum. But our gas is already going supersonic. It's as fast as it can go, so we can't do anything about this. To get the answer, we need to focus a little bit more in the combustion chamber. So it's the pressure in here that gives us our velocity. This is oversimplifying gas law stuff to the point that it's wrong, but conceptually it works, so don't argue with me in the comments. So pressure is going to be equal to the mass of the gas times the temperature of the gas divided by its volume. So if we make the volume bigger, the pressure goes down. That means if this combustion chamber's bigger, the rocket goes slower. But if mass or temperature goes down, then our pressure also goes down. And our temperature in here comes from these two things reacting.
If we put anything in the reaction chamber that's not taking part in the burning, it's gonna reduce the temperature. Which reduces our pressure, which reduces how fast we can go.
So the ideal way to run a rocket is every single fuel molecule reacts with every single oxidizer molecule to give us the greatest pressure to give us the greatest acceleration.
I hope that makes sense and answers your question. Please, people, keep asking me questions. I am loving this.